You've probably seen how fast cybersecurity has grown in recent years. But the real question is, how do you actually get into it? At Centriq, our cybersecurity specialist program is built to help people launch careers in tech through hands-on career-focused training designed around real-world skills employers are hiring for right now. You'll build practical skills in cybersecurity, networking, systems, and cloud technologies from industry professionals and a career services team that's invested in your success.
Centriq definitely helped me out with the basics of understanding of how a network works, how a domain functions, how systems across miles are able to communicate across with each other through the internet, basically. It got me the foundation I needed to be able to succeed in any and all IT fields moving forward.
Hi, I'm Russ, your education consultant. And when we first connect, it's not a high-pressure sales call. It's really just a conversation about your goals, your background, and whether cybersecurity could be a good fit for you. I'll answer your questions, I'll walk you through the program, and help you understand what a career in tech could look like. Click the link in the description to hear from our graduates and to learn more about Centriq. I really look forward to speaking with you soon.